Hello everyone, namaste. So, welcome to the third episode of Dzuleke trip. If you're still watching, thank you so much for that. So, this was just a short one-day trip, which it only came into existence just out of boredom, out of the boring daily life. And I strongly feel that motorcyclists in every corner of the world who are juggling between their corporate jobs and traveling can obviously truly relate to this. And for most of us, quitting our job and traveling full time is not a viable option, and that is where these kind of short bike rides fit in. So, and I personally believe that traveling regularly, at least once or twice a month, if not weekly, would actually at least for me, it helps in maintaining a balance between work, my life, and everything here and there, right? So it gives me a healthy head to, to take enough stress for a month or two. So enough said about the feelings. Let's dive into today's schedule. So if you would have seen the second episode of Dzuleke trip, you must have seen that we had already left Kohima and reached Jotsuma, and from there we would be heading to Dzuleke Valley. And honestly, I did not know that Konoma and Poilwa caves were on the way to Dzuleke, or else we would have obviously planned for those locations too. There were even Konoma and Poilwa caves are worth visiting, but since I did not plan beforehand, we just had to settle with Dzuleke for that day, or else I would have planned those places too. But yeah, as usual, time constraints has compelled us not to add any more locations in today's bucket list, and therefore we just ended up exploring Suleke for today. So I hope you are enjoying the video, and hope to see all of you in the next one too. Thank you. So apparently we need to register before we go inside that Dzuleke area. So this is the office. Here we can for ticket for three of us, and then we need that ticket to be there. We cannot go without that. So let's go there. River type, then be as a stone vicious. Park kona thaise tang gari ki thane do. Ito wide wala. Hoi. Tane ni mo. Rishi gule to ship farm gaise mo. Ki gulu ship farm de na. Deli tho. Farm to tam na. Ship farm to ship bhi nahi dechi dechi. Acha. Hoi ship farm to banna.
Jawula. Jawula ni direct Jawula re je sappa. Chalo chalo.
Very good ride. Like I started having started feeling nostalgic about Agumbe hills and all in Karnataka. Then Sakleshpur. Even those roads are exactly like this, completely green. So yeah, I'm about to reach Dhansiri Bridge. While coming from Dimapur to